This is an Ellis Mowers and More product review. Interested in buying this product? The link is in the description below. Have a product inquiry or a home, garden, or automotive product or tool to review? Email me, ellis@ellismowers.com, or reach out on Instagram and Facebook at Ellis Mowers and More. And as always, like and subscribe for more product reviews and small engine content. On today's product review, inside this bag right here is a Cobizi 10x10 pop-up canopy. It is fairly heavy duty, a little bit bigger frame and everything over just your standard run-of-the-mill 10x10 canopy. So we're going to get this canopy out of the packaging here. We're going to see all the pieces that are associated with it, assemble it, review it, and disassemble it, and say my thoughts on it. So let's go ahead and get started. So for this tent, I'm going to go through all the parts before we put it up. Here's the frame. This is a fairly heavy duty frame, a little bit bulky, so keep that in mind. If you're looking for something light, this is probably not for you, but if you're looking for something a little bit more heavy duty, it might be. It comes with this carrying bag. You have to assemble the wheels. You just have to put we gotta go wheel, spacer, slide it through, spacer, wheel, nut. Not the best wheels in the world, but I'm sure that they'll allow you to at least roll it around better than having to actually pick it up and carry. Got your canopy portion of it, got a bag that carries the stakes and the rope, and then you have 4 sandbags right there as well. I'm not going to demonstrate with the sandbags, I don't have sand here, but you'll put them on the bottom. We're going to get the frame up, put this canopy over it, strap it, and then fold it out. We're going to fold it back in with the canopy still on it. We're going to put it back in the bag. So let's go ahead and get started with it. So we did that in about a 3-minute time span. That was not too bad at all with 2 people. Very fast. You can kind of see what it looks like. This is the lowest setting that it goes on, so it is pretty high. It'll go 2 more settings, so you can go up another foot from here. And this is like almost 7 feet tall. Oh good, maybe 6.5 feet tall here for the tent, so it's high. You can go up to 7 feet, so that's really cool. You have your carrying bag and your sandbags and tie downs and stuff if you need them to hook onto here. It velcros on this side right here on the corners. I thought I had it a little bit too tight originally, but I did not. I was trying to push it up from the middle, but it doesn't go all the way up in the middle like I thought it did. You can clip these around. Really nice because it's not a bunch of Velcro and stuff, just on the corners to keep the little canopy portion of it straight. And again, that looks really good. Higher quality than a lot of the low-end tents that you have here. So frame seems a little bit beefier. It is a little bit heavier. Keep that in mind. We have the thing in the middle here too. So we'll see if we can get the tent down in a timely manner when it comes to being able to put it in the bag with the canopy on. Big canopy. Wheels are a little bit to be desired, little to be desired on the canopy, but we're going to see if we can get it all in together. Again, if you need to put the sandbags and help weigh it down, then you've got that going on too. And we'll go ahead and tear this down in just a second. Alright guys, so we are under the tent here. Decent shade, but remember, since it's a higher height, it's going to, the sun is going to kind of infiltrate a little bit, so on the surface your shade may be a little bit less, but we can comfortably fit 2 chairs and 2 end tables under here. You can do them side by side, so you can get a lot of folks under here with some decent shade to help protect you from the heat and from the sun. So now we're going to go ahead and tear it down next. So there it is all together. Again, to put up and take down, not including sandbags and clips and all that, it's about 3 to 4 minutes to put up and about 3 to 4 minutes to take down with 2 people. So that was excellent. If you're looking for something fast, fairly heavy duty, this tent's pretty good. The only con is it's fairly large, so you have to remember that. Alright guys, so that is everything for this Cobizi 10x10 canopy. Again, great build quality, much better than the than just your base 10x10 canopy. It's a step up. The only con is it's fairly large, so it takes up a decent amount of space. If you like your tent low, probably not going to be the one for you, because the lowest level is about 6.5 feet high, so you have to remember that when it comes to it. But like if you're looking for good outdoor shade, beach shade, somewhere to just convene, if you're a taller family and don't want to be ducking under tents the whole time, this tent will fit the bill. Mrs. Ellis Mowers and I are very, pretty pleased with this product. So I appreciate y'all watching this video review, and hope y'all got some insight about this product. As always, thanks again, and I'll catch you on the next video. Take care.